Hi everybody, I am recording this video not so that you can see my ugly face and my bushy eyebrows and my fat cheeks. You gotta hear my parrot snoring underneath the covers. It's very interesting. Can you hear him? Skittles! I love you, Skittles! I wish I could show you the parrot that's hiding here, but I can't because if he finds out I'm recording, he is not going to do anything. He's going to attack the camera. I can hear him. It's the funniest thing ever. He snores. And he's got a crooked beak. It's like I don't even know how to do it, but his beak is what you would call a scissor beak. And maybe that might be the reason he snores, because I have 5 of them and they don't snore. He's the only one that snores, and it's very cute. Skittles? Skittles, baby. Good boy, Skittles. I love you, Skittles. Oh, you're my baby, Skittles. Good boy. What are you doing? You mama's baby? Are you mama's baby? Maybe you guys can have a sneak in there and just see him. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's getting mad. He's getting so mad. He does not like the camera. He's a very jealous and protective bird. He loves me fiercely, and he does not want to share me with anybody. Skittles. Oh, oh, coitado. You don't like the camera, Skittles? I love you, Skittles. Skittles. Oh, okay, you guys had a little bird here that snored and showed his face to the camera, and now he doesn't want to do it anymore. So I'm gonna turn this off before he actually breaks my phone. Bye bye.